Snake swallow things whole.
Wait, Amelia.
Whoa. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What about the tortoise? So cute. I want to pet it.
A tortoise, she normally eats pellets. I can try and give her a fuzzy if you guys want to watch.
Yeah! Can we touch it?
Amelia. But I'm not going to bring her out, you know why?
Why?
She's going to go pee-pees all over you. Yeah, so I'm going to leave her in her tank and let her go in her tank.
What? She
Pee-pees all over you. Turtles and frogs go potty all the time. Right? As soon as you touch a frog, you know you're going to get peed on.
I would never touch a frog. I'll touch it. It's almost done. And the frog peed on him.
Yep. It's going to happen.
What if the frog peed on a frog?
A frog peed on a frog.
Oh my gosh. It turns like
Alright, so I'm going to let him finish his fuzzy, and then you guys can touch him if you want.
Diana.
Guys, finish your food.
Amelia and Katisha, follow the directions. He's back.
Bro.
He's back.
So make sure he swallows it all the way. You know why?
Right.
He might spit it back out on you guys.
Ew.
Slinky's a good boy, but
God. He's still chewing.
some lizards and snakes do regurgitate, so it's called throwing up. Be
He's
careful. but
licking the
Slinky's
frog.
pretty good.
He's eating the
He's
frog.
wiping his mouth.
He's
Be a gentleman.
Is he rubbing his
Yes.
I know why.
We're not going to hold him, just let you guys pet him real quick.
It's like he's painting, right?
Painting? No, he's just wiping his mouth. He has no hands to wipe his mouth.
I know,
so
but
he's
it's-
using the floor.